On the other outside's red bones. Snow, snow, snow. This is the start of the blizzard of 2010! I shoveled the porch once!
This is Dan writing stuff on this car. He thinks he's so funny. Super excited, so make lots of comments. Such a dork. I don't know if you could hear him, but he said Maryland is over. Growl, growl.
This is low light level, but this is Melissa shoveling in the blizzard. It's probably like 10:30 at night. Looking at maybe like 6 to 8 inches right now. She shoveled the driveway and the porch. Alright, so of course it snowed all night and it's supposed to snow until 7 o'clock. The snow is pretty high. That van over there hasn't moved the whole time. Let's take a look at the van. Yeah. Oh, it's got about a foot of snow on there. It's a lot of snow. Our vehicles are pretty snowy.
Yeah, a lot of them.
And it's pretty much Rex, Maryland.
What?
That tree is bent over. Yeah. And it's time to shovel the porch again.
Yeah.
Okay, right now it's about noon on Saturday, and it is snowing as hard now as it was last night, probably like 2 to 3 inches an hour. I'm gonna go outside and shovel the sidewalk and driveway and the deck so it doesn't fall off the house.
Here's Dan, my man.
Here.
Gracefully shoveling the deck. Has, in the past 12 hours, another freaking 12 inches of snow fell. Now we're in boots because he says they're a pain in the butt to get on.
Okay, what color do you want?
That's a manly man.
Blue?
No, I mean red.
Okay, now we're outside playing in the snow. Hooray! Doot 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 doot. Hello.
Ma, get the camera. Dawn,
Oh,
come
that's.
on, you said you wanted to walk to a place to go sledding.
I don't think so.
I can't walk, Dad.
It's like 1 o'clock, right?
It's 2.
2 o'clock. 7 more hours of snow. Woo! Supposedly. The trees are pretty. And we had a big branch come down over there. Did you see it?
Are you stuck?
Oh, Ian's stuck. Do you give up already?
He just fell.
I'm gonna walk to the mailbox. See what happens. Maybe to the end of the street. I should put my boots on, but I'm lazy. Whew. Okay, so I was gonna check the mailbox. I think that I'm gonna have to lean to even get into it. Okay, so snowstorm 1, U.S. Postal System 0. Walking out to the street, see what we can see. Here's our stop sign, our street sign. Savoy Place, it's a snowy, snowy place. Whoa! This looks like a foot of slush. And see if we can get out into the street. This looks like at least 3 feet of snow plowed up here, so they're gonna have to come do removal later. A winter wonderland, I'll tell you. Maryland is over. There we go. And my family, not outdoors anymore, it would appear. Where did they go? All Owen can do is just roll in the snow. He's too wet all.
He needs better gloves.
He does. Maybe he needs a milder winter. Hey Owen, you having fun?
Yeah.
Say hi to Grandma Briggs.
Hi.
Say hi to Grandpa Bill.
Hi.
Say their names.
Grandpa and Grandma Briggs.
That's right. Say hi Grandpa Briggs.
Hi, Grandma Briggs.
Hi Aunt Julie.
Hi, Aunt Julie.
Hi Uncle Keith.
Hi, Uncle Keith.
Alright.
You made it. Don't fall.
Ah, I'm not the only one shoveling the deck. Here we go. Do 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 do. Doodle doo doo. Looks like our neighbor's tree is leaning on their house. Awesome. Snowy surprise.
Oh, yeah.
Just a little silver chair. Will you go grab it? It's right in the front door.
Yeah. Icicles. Can't believe you're taking the kit car in all the snow. You're a maniac.
Owen. Owen.
I don't know why you'd have a traction problem with monster wheels like these. Show us that four-wheel drive, kid.
And he's stuck.
Hey, Daddy, I think you should go on the swing and jump off.
You record it?
Of course. Oh, it.
So you trying to get to the swing?
What are you doing? I can make it. I can make it.
You can do it, Owen! You can do it! Hey kitty, you're a New York kitty, don't you like the snow? You want to go back inside? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Speak to me! Do you want to go back inside? Alright. Virus!